Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut cabbage using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 medium head of green cabbage, 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt, and a clean 1-quart jar. You will also need a large mixing bowl and a pounder or a clean, heavy object. This simple approach ensures a successful fermentation every time, even for beginners. Start by removing any bruised outer leaves from your cabbage, then quarter it and remove the core. Next, thinly slice or shred the cabbage into strips about 1/8 inch thick. Place all the shredded cabbage into a large mixing bowl. Now, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt evenly over the cabbage. This salt is crucial for drawing out moisture and starting the fermentation process. With the salt added, begin massaging the cabbage vigorously with your hands for about 10 minutes. You'll notice the cabbage softening and releasing a significant amount of liquid, creating its own brine. Once enough brine has formed, tightly pack the cabbage into your clean 1-quart jar, pressing down firmly. Make sure all the cabbage remains submerged under the brine to prevent spoilage during fermentation. Place a lid loosely on the jar or use an airlock, then let your sauerkraut ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 10 days. Taste it daily after day 3 until it reaches your desired tanginess. Once ready, transfer it to the refrigerator, where it will keep for several months. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, delicious sauerkraut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.